Turoro to doshane icha hoya taki. Coming in through center, toro o shosho o shosho. And relaxing through the belly. As we enter into these chambers, as we praise to ono o takai chusha everlasting sanctimony, taro o kono kosha I chasha oya. Do hoya shashane I chia hoya the kai, finding this range within the cellular matrix of the feeling this uprising, where this has been formulated, where this has been placed inside of you, where you have been preached at, and subsequently where others have been able to reach inside of you, to grasp, to steal at this groundedness, this embodied sanctuary where it has been held back from within you, risen up on these legs, standing up above the ground here, and where this would prefer to be planted into the soil now. Removing this stand, which was raising this above the ground, present but out of reach, that through the voices, through the implied indiscretions, where the implications were being drawn in as if tethering, intertwining, attaching you to this stand risen above the earth, unable to properly root in to the soil, and feeling the release through the right side of the shoulder into the spine, where the discernment was unable to take space because the judgment was present, feeling this deeply through the right shoulder blade, arcing down the back, through the ribs, through the right side of the lungs, breathing into sanctuary, through the pastels, the pinks and the blues, into the vision of flight. This division from the light, this symbol of the bird appearing as a shadow of light, that we may discern, removing the knot from existence, to take this stand, to plant the feet firmly through the circle, to bear witness to the potential inside of each person, to feel this through the wholeness, through the fullness of light everlasting. I know not of what I want, but it is to feel embraced, to experience the embrace, to be held from within, as this is so.